You searched how to buy shares of Harte Hanks Inc. Harte Hanks is a marketing and customer communications company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HHS. This guide is educational and not financial advice, showing the basic steps to place an order. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HHS to find Harte Hanks Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the matching company name to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company details and a price chart, along with the ticker HHS. Double-check the company name and exchange to confirm this is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. Once the trade is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example shown, find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.